Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Day one topic is start now. First, math track one topic is mathematical induction. First of all, what is mathematical induction? How to find the problems? After that, I am find to some model problems. Okay. First, mathematical induction. Mathematical induction are two types. Two types. Mathematical index are two types. First one, finite mathematical induction. Second one, complete mathematical induction. Complete mathematical induction. First one, what is the finite mathematical induction? Finite mathematical induction is, for example, s of n equal to some data is there, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. This is one of the data. How to find the finite mathematical induction? Finite mathematical induction means first of all, s of n is true. This is first step. After that, you assume that s of k is true. Then after find s of k plus 1 is true. It's called finite mathematical induction. It is called finite mathematical induction. Second one, completed mathematical induction. This can be written as p n equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on n. P of 1, comma p of 2, comma so p of 3, comma so on p of k minus 1 is also true. Each and every term is also true. It's called completed mathematical induction. Mathematical induction are two types. Finite mathematical induction. Second one, complete mathematical induction. For example, De Mor's theorem. Second one, binomial theorem. Everyone then prove that using finite mathematical induction. For example, in De Mor's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. It is also proved using finite mathematical induction. Okay. What is the rules of mathematical induction? For example, in AP, A plus D plus so on A plus n minus 1 into D is R in AP. This is first term, this is second term. Okay. First of all, we can find Tn. Tn. What is the Tn? Nth term. This means nth term. What is the formula nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D is called nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D is called nth term. Next one, Sn. Sn means sum of the n terms. What is Sn means sum of the n terms. Sum of the n terms are two formulas are there. First formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is using so on terms. Second one, n by 2 into a plus l. This is using 100% using first term and last term. This is using, for example, series 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on. Last term is not there. Using this formula, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on 21. First term is there, second term is there. Using second formula. This is AP format. Second one, GP. GP means geometrical progression. GP means geometrical progression. What is the series? A plus AR plus AR square plus so on AR power n minus 1 is called R in GP. This also Tn equal to, what is the nth term? A into R power n minus 1 is called nth term. What is the Sn? Sn means sum of the terms. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is used. R is less than 1. For R is greater than 1. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. It is used to R is less than 1. Next one, S infinity means infinity term, not there in last term. A by 1 minus R is called S infinity term. And that means, for example, 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus so on infinity. Last term is not there. Using S infinity. This is GP. Next, some standard results in mathematical induction. Most important, the types of result. Standard results. This is shortcut formulas. Okay. First one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. This means sigma n. Sigma means summation. Sum of the nth term. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Second one, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on n square. It is nothing but sigma n square. Sum of the squares. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sum of the n square terms. Third one, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on n cube. This is n cube term. This is nothing but sigma n cube. What is the formula? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. These three formulas are using in mathematical induction IPE, but remaining standard formulas not using in IPE, only using objective, JEE Mains or MSET. Most important useful tricks. Fourth one, sum of the odd terms 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. We can write directly n square. Sum of the two terms. What is the sum of the two terms? 4. We can write n plus 2. 2 square 4. Sum of the three terms. 5 plus 3 plus 1 9. 3 square means 9. We can write directly 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Fifth one, sum of the even terms 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on to n. This can be written as n into n plus 1. What is the formula? N into n plus 1. How to write this formula? All terms we can get common 2. What is the remaining term? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. 2 into, what is the standard formula of sum of the n terms? N into n plus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. N into n plus 1. Sum of the even terms is called n into n plus 1. Next. Sixth one. For example, sum of the two terms into product 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus so on. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 n plus 2 by 2. N plus 2 by 2. This is using in IPE. First term. After that second term we can find nth term. Okay. After that this one find out. Next one. 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square plus so on is equal to minus of n into n plus 1 by 2 if n is even. Second, n into n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd. If n is odd. For example, 1 square minus 2 square plus 3 square minus 4 square. For example, put n equal to 2. n equal to 2 means 2 terms. n equal to 2 is even. What is the using the formula? Minus of, what is the n? 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 3. 1 square means 1 minus 2 square means 4. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Directly using formula. If n is even, symbol is minus. n is odd, symbol is plus. Eighth one. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on n brackets is equal to n into n square plus 1 by 3. Most important formula. Very important formula. Using n into n square plus 1 by 3. Nth bracket means this is a first bracket. This is second bracket. This is third bracket. For example, n plus we can write 3. Sum of the third bracket. Third bracket. What is the sum of the third bracket? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Apply this formula. Put n equal to 3. 3 into 3 square. 9 plus 1, by 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar. 2 1 jar, 2 5 jar, 15. This is not applicable. After that, I am explain this formula. Okay. These 7 are most important formulas. Some problems using these formulas. Okay. First one. What is the value of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 50 squares? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 50 square. What is the formula? This is sum of the squares. What is the sum of the squares? n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. How many terms are there? 50 terms. We can write 50 directly in nth place. 50, 50 plus 1, 51. 2 into 50, 100 plus 1, 101 by 6. After cancellation, we get direct answer. After cancellation, we get direct answer. Second one. Second one. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 plus 1. What is the nth term? What is the nth term? How to find the nth term? What is the first term? 1, 4, 7. 1 comma 4 comma 7 comma so on are in AP. Difference is equal. What is the 4 minus 1? 3. What is the 7 minus 4? 3. Difference is equal. That is R in AP. Tn. What is the nth term formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the A? First term. What is the D? T2 minus T1. 4 minus 1, 3. N into n plus 1. A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the A? 1 plus n minus 1. What is the D? 3. 1 plus 3n minus 3 that equal to 3n minus 2. This is first term. What is the second term? 4, 7, 10. 4, 7, 10, so on are in AP. Are in AP. What is the nth term? Tn equal to, what is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. What is the A? 4. What is the D? 7 minus 4, 3. 4 plus n minus 1 into 3. That equal to 4 plus 3n minus 3. 3n plus 1. This is second term. How to write nth term? Plus, what is the numerator? 1. But what is the denominator first term? 1, 4, 7, so on. What is the last term? 3n minus 2 into. What is the second term? 4, 7, 10, so on. In this place, 3n plus 1. This is called nth term of this series. Okay. This is mathematical induction. Today class. Tomorrow I am explain previous MSET questions in this topic. Okay.